Hello everyone. Don't pause. Try solving this first. Comment your answer before I solve it. Let's start. Questions have given 8 to the power 8 minus 88 is equal to what? Calculator not allowed. Okay. Is equal to, this 8 can be written as 2 cube whole to the power 8 minus 88 is equal to, according to exponential formula, a to the power m whole to the power n is equal to a to the power m n. Now apply this formula here. We can write 2 to the power 3 times 8, that means 24 minus 88 is equal to 2 to the power, now this 24 can be written as 20 plus 4 minus 88 is equal to, again another exponential formula we know, a to the power m plus n is equal to a to the power m times a to the power n. Now apply this formula here. We can write 2 to the power 20 times 2 to the power 4 minus 88 is equal to 2 to the power, now this 20 can be written as 10 times 2 times 2 to the power 4, that means 16 minus 88 is equal to, now apply this formula here. We can write 2 to the power 10 whole square times 16 minus 88 is equal to, we know 2 to the power 10, that means 1024 whole square times 16 minus 88 is equal to, now 1024 can be written as 1000 plus 24 whole square times 16 minus 88 is equal to, according to algebraic formula, a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus twice ab plus b square. Now apply this formula here. We can write 1000 square plus 2 times 1000 times 24 plus 24 square times 16 minus 88 is equal to 1000 square, that means 1 with 6 zeros, plus 2 times 24 is 48 with 3 zeros, plus we know 24 square, that means 576 times 16 minus 88 is equal to, now adding this 3 number we will get 6 plus 0 plus 0 is 6, 7 plus 0 is 7, 5 plus 0 is 5, 8 plus 0 is 8, 4 plus 0 is 4, now this 10 times 16 minus 88 is equal to 1048576 times, now this 16 can be written as 10 plus 6 minus 88 is equal to, now multiplying, here we can write 10 4 8 5 7 6 times 10 plus 1 0 4 8 5 7 6 times 6 minus 88 is equal to, here we will get 1 0 4 8 5 7 6 and 0 plus 6 times 6 is 36, we can write here 6, 3 is go, 6 times 7 is 42 plus 3 is 45, so we can write here 5, 4 is go, now 6 times 5 is 30, 30 plus 4 is 34, so we can write here 4, 3 is go, now 8 times 6 is 48 plus 3 is 51, so we can write here 1, 5 is go, 6 times 4 is 24 plus 5 is 29, so we can write here 9, 2 is go, now 6 times 0 is 0, so 0 plus 2 is 2, now 6 times 1 is 6 minus 88 is equal to, now adding this two number, here we will get 6 plus 0 is 6, 5 plus 6 is 11, so we can write here 1 is go, now 4 plus 7 is 11, 11 plus 1 is 12, 1 is go, now 1 plus 8, 1 plus 5 plus 1 is 7, now 9 plus 8 is 17, so 1 is go, now 2 plus 4 is 6, 6 plus 1 is 7, now 6 plus 0 is 6 and this 1 minus 88. Finally here we will get 1 6 7 7 7 1 2 8 and it is our final answer. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.